We're at Casey's. First time I've eaten at Casey's since they've opened back up. I did order the foot-long chili cheese dog with orange slices or cutie slices, okay? I'm going to show you what I got. Footlong looks great. And got water with it. So we're about $14, tax, title, and license on the road. So take a look at this. Yeah. That's it. So, yeah, that was it. He said they switched it yesterday from the little packet or the individuals just to one little tiny cutie. Yeah. May save that as a souvenir, right? But I don't have to do a review on the foot-long hot dog here because it's always good. It's all beef, and it's pretty much the same one they use throughout the parks here. So good stuff all the way around. So got finished with my meal as one of the cavalcades are coming down with the princesses on it. But forgot that the foot-long is really a meal for two people. That is a lot of hot dog. No ifs, ands, and buts about it, but it was excellent. Didn't finish the whole thing, but still good. Did opt out for the fries and got the cuties, so we did kind of meet it halfway with the healthy side of it, but on off to the next adventure, right?
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor Zurg.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.